Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to link your Twitch and Marvel Rivals accounts. This connection is the only way to unlock fantastic exclusive Twitch drops and other in-game rewards. To start, simply open your web browser and navigate to the official Marvel Rivals website. Once there, log in using the specific gaming platform where you play, whether it is Steam, PlayStation, or another service. Once you are successfully logged into the Marvel Rivals website, look for your account settings, typically found in the top right corner. From there, select the Connections option. You will see a list of various platforms. Find Twitch and click the Connect button next to it. A new window will appear, prompting you to authorize Marvel Rivals to access your Twitch account. Simply click Authorize to proceed. After authorizing, a confirmation message should appear on the Marvel Rivals website, indicating that your Twitch account has been successfully linked. For an extra layer of assurance, you can also visit your Twitch settings. Look for the Other Connections section within your Twitch profile. You should see Marvel Rivals listed there, which confirms the secure and active bond between your two accounts, ensuring everything is set up correctly. With your accounts linked, you are now ready to enjoy exclusive rewards. Simply watch Marvel Rivals streams on Twitch that have the Drops Enabled tag to earn free cosmetic items. Once you have watched enough, claim your earned rewards directly from your Twitch Drops inventory page. These exciting rewards, such as unique costumes, emotes, or sprays, will then be delivered straight to your in-game mail.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.